This could be good news or bad news. I can't believe this. It's crazy. Look at this. Bro, no way. So I don't really drive this car too much. But bro. Oh my goodness. So I did take a risk when I bought this car because it came from Arizona. I didn't drove over there, but he was willing to deliver it, and yeah, dude, holy crap, that's crazy. I mean, that's just the consequences, you know. Brought some distilled water. Let's try to clean it out, you know, and put coolant in it, and then just, I don't know. I mean, I've been driving around town in the 100-degree heat, and you know, and I just said, yeet. So, I mean, all right. Let's just see if we can. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do it. So, if you ask me what I'm doing, no idea what I'm doing. So, oh shoot, I don't think I should be wearing a white shirt. Well, I should probably change clothes. Wait. Oh, that's better. Whoops. Oh shoot, I wonder where I got this shirt from. From the website. Oh, that's crazy. Anyways, let's get this car jacked up. There we go. So, going down here. Oh. Wow. Try to get rid of this real quick. That's much better. So, wow, this is thing. Is that an oil cooler? What? They come stock with this? No way. Oh, well, that's not tightened. Oh, interesting. Interesting. All right. Well, the drain plug is right here, and hopefully when I take it out, something comes out, or else I'm gonna need a motor rebuild. All right, you guys are gonna experience this firsthand. This, gonna witness why. Okay. Why I might need. Okay, you know, that's droplets. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. If I can record properly, it'll probably help. Okay. It's kinda, watch me completely miss this. Oh shit, I'm making noise. Oh shit. When you say you have an RX7 and she's like, wait. No way. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I've been driving around like this. It's not even green. And wait, I can't even. That's crazy, bro. We got the homeboy Scooby-Dooby-Doo right here. So anyways, let's see how much. Wow, that's all that came out. I mean, I can't really show you guys because it's all like brown and stuff, but that's from the oil because this is a drain pan I use. But dude, that thing looks. Oh, what the heck? It actually drained out. What the heck? So I don't know. I'ma just. I don't know. I guess I just put the distilled water in it and then send it, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's all I can do. POV, you're doing a radiator fluid change on a RX7. So this is you. Oh wait, wait. Oh, there we go. There we go. See, you're a mechanic. Oh, and I can't find the screwdriver. Oh, here, there we go. Here. Oh. Oh, I was looking at the camera. There we go. See that? There you go, you're a mechanic. There you go, you're a mechanic. There you go. Now we gotta wipe it. Wipe it down. Wipe it. It's like that TikTok. I keep watching. Anyways, look at that. Just all better. Now let's put a funnel to this thing and put some. I almost touched it. That peanut butter inside there. But I'll put some fluid in this thing, or I mean water, and yeah. Drinking a lot. All right. POV. You're doing it again. Dang it! I had it in there, bro. No way. Okay, there we go. Water again. Ooh, it's a little. Just a. You know what? It's a little hot. Oh! Okay. We're gonna do this fast and quick. Faster than SEAL Team 6, okay? I'm not ready. Oh, yeah. Hot. I can't think right now. Alright, so let me go. I just want to clean this and this. Holy. Should probably clean this. Looks like just no. I'm not gonna say nothing about that one. Alright, who was in Paris? Alright, anyways, so I mean, you look at it. Let me get a light for y'all. Yeah, you look at it. It looks, from what you saw before, it looks a little bit better. So I'm gonna wipe the top and probably gonna keep doing it till I have my Scooby-Dooby-Doo. All my distilled water is gone. So I wanna make sure this thing looks sparkly clean. Alright, the water looks a lot more clear this time. Let's give her a, just to give her a gooder, I locked myself out. Damn, no way I locked myself out. Oh, never mind. It's just Mazda things. Anyways, let's grab this nice old brand new Mazda key that I just spent like, there's no way I spent fucking $34 on. No way, Jose. Holy, oh, I thought I was in the movie theater up in the. Make sure it's in neutral. All right, sick. Does she sound good? Sick. Give her a nice old rev. Sick. Oh my god. When you. All right, so this thing's either. I let it cool down a little bit. So. Oh dang it! I'm looking at the camera again. No, let's try this again. Oh wait. Oh, that thing's. Okay. Clearly. Ooh, it's a little. Ooh, it's a little chilly today. How hot is it? I don't know if I should full send on this again. Okay. You know what? Okay. Oh. Mama didn't raise no. When you tell her you have an RX7, crap, I can't do it. All right, let's try this. Another one. Watch me get this one like first try. Damn it. There goes that first try. I don't even know if I recorded it, huh? Buzzing. Alright. Now, it looks a lot cleaner than before. Let's take it off and see. Well, it looks a lot better now. Well, you can actually see like the black in there, kind of. There we go. Oh, focus. There you go. Look at that. See that? Camera angle bussin'. It looks cleaner now, baby. Just make sure it's in neutral. All right. All right, round two. Is super hot. Okay. You know, I don't even want to. Ah, dang, I'm looking at the camera. How hot is it? I don't feel anything. Okay. Ooh, I feel like I should learn this from the first 2 times, but I should learn from. Cause mama didn't raise no. She didn't raise no wussy. Oh yeah. When she now that's all gone. Except, well, at least that's on the top, but still. Now that's all gone. I think I should probably buy a new radiator, huh? Dang, I wish I. Oh. Well, hello there. Oh my gosh, bro, what is that, bro? Sorry, I suck using it. It's like, it feels watery, I guess.